we are going down and getting our laundry done. There's actually more in sunshine already.
We're going to, what do you call that? Wash and fold?
Wash and dry.
Wash and fold. Wash and dry.
That it's a local laundry place that a lot of people, a ton of people, Mama and Papa included, typically do the laundry at home by hand. With Cindy pregnant and the fact that I just don't do laundry by hand, well, Mama and Papa are gone. We're taking our laundry down and having it done. So come on with us and watch how it gets done. We actually could have picked it up yesterday, but it was raining all freaking day yesterday off and on, so we decided to just put it out for a day and come back today and pick it up. So on to being 3-day laundry instead of 2.
Yes, and we're also heading to Ayala.
After that, we're gonna head to Ayala Mall and maybe pick up a personal fan and a few other things. See if I can find a roll of duct tape.
Yep.
We will see you at the laundromat. We are back at Wash and Dry. And here's the cool lady. Ma'am, pagkatara. What's the monthly plans?
Wala naman ni anak, ma'am. We don't already have that plan. Sa una na, kuan. Kada bulan ka magbayad sa imong laundry. Ingo ba? Imbis 29, kuan na lang siya 25 per kilo.
They used to have that plan, but they stopped that monthly plans.
Oh.
So before, they're just gonna pay all together lump sum. Instead of 29, they're paying it 25. So
Okay.
that one is no longer existing.
Well, ila lang ko nag-iwag tamang kay tungod sa uban nga monthly niya. Ubang tao mawa ba di ka ba? Malugi.
We cancel that service because the people before will just suddenly disappear and they will lose profit.
I can appreciate that. I noticed it talks about pickup and delivery. Do you still do that?
Delivery, mag-minimum of 10 kilos. Wala na sad na, ma'am.
It's also canceled.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I thought you
Sorry,
said...
daw na sad na siya, ma'am.
It used to be 10 kilos before.
Oh, okay.
Free
Oh, okay.
delivery sila pag 10 kilos. Pero wala na sad.
Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat. Balik-balik lang ni.